When it comes to funding of research, that is one of the biggest challenges, how to come to that stage. We apply, we get rejected, but we still continue. One of the most useful fundings is EU projects, because it's a good amount of money, usually 3 years or 4 years. And that's a quite stable situation from funding point of view. So it's nice to have that, and what is then necessary from time to time is the report. After 1 year or half time, or at the end it's the final report. That's a lot of writing things, and what we promised in the proposal we should have done or modified and communicated if there are any changes. Then there is also the periodic report, meaning that we have to present how much money have we spent for what, and does it correspond to the activities we have been promising to do. And that is now time for the Repower SIG project to report after the first year. And every time there is something new in the portal, how to add things and calculate. And that's always a little bit problematic to find out, but we do find out. And the nice thing is that then we report something because we have got money for funding for projects. And Alminica, my company, is partner in projects about transfer of knowledge to create impact and exploitation in realistic ways. So then we support the technical development and create an added value in projects. So EU projects is very interesting for us, and it's not only due to the project activity, it's also because this is in alignment with what happens in Europe. The digital transition, the green technologies, and all those things. Then we are relevant, and we have cases where we learn about these things. So that is why we have an activity of building capacity and having training about the digital transition for green technologies. The technologies are usually motivated, and researchers know very well about them, but how to implement the digital transition in these technologies, that is an interesting step. And this we can figure out together in projects, how to use the data digitalized, do the digitalization steps, maybe machine learning, AI, virtual reality, and such steps. And that is a really good momentum for a digital transition for green technologies and deep tech.